All right, hey there, everybody. Okay, so I came back to do the recap today again. Um, I kind of forgot where. Well, okay, so I traded FIVN and BBIG today, and obviously I could have done a lot better. I think things. Uh, I've been usually I do a little bit better than this. Somewhere I usually do about $300 a day, roughly. And I've been performing a little bit lackluster recently, and I think it has a lot to do with my routine is thrown off in the morning these days. You know, with COVID and kids and working from home, a wife who works from home, and so yeah, I'm a little bit off of my routine, and it's affecting my trading. I can tell. I'm not. I'm not choosing my entries as well. I'm not managing my trades as well, so on and so on. But hey, at least I'm still profitable. So, so the recap on the day. Let's go. So I had to come back to redo this, or I wanted to come back to redo this and not just delete it because I left my stupid account number on the video again. So I can't have that out in public. So today, you can see here FIVN. Let's see if I still have yeah, I do. Okay, so I went back and I looked, and the Fibonacci retracement that I drew for this was this is the Fibonacci retracement that I used to try and trade FIVN today, and it was horrible retracement. That was just I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, especially in hindsight, we'll get rid of that one. And this, from the move in its lows in March to its highs here in February, almost a year. It's hard to believe, but there it is right there. That's the magic 158.65 would have been my proper entry for the day. And instead, I tried to trade this mess. I have an entry here. It's hard to see with the numbers in the way there. 170, I don't know, 176.66 or something like that. I tried, so I got lucky. I managed to get out of FIVN profitably, but it was definitely a sphincter clincher. I got out with $75, almost $75 there on that trade. And then BBIG, so I entered it twice. I entered it once at like 177, and then I bought another 100 shares at 170. It went as far down as 158, as the low here is 158 even. So my entry was terrible. The one thing that the stock had going for it was it had earnings yesterday. It reported, I guess it reported after the bell. Let's see the after hours action on this thing. Had to have been, yeah, it had to have reported after the bell because you see here it sold off down here and then ran up after hours. And then it sold off in the morning, which just makes no sense. And it sold off big time. It beat earnings and it beat revenues, and its forward guidance is looking good. So, I saw this, and I've seen shenanigans like this in the market. I don't know how many times. I was like, I know this is a shakeout. So I didn't know it was a shakeout. But I was like, I'll bet this is a shakeout. There's just no way there's a company that reports, blowout earnings like that in one of the most difficult economic times there is that's going to get, shut down, So, okay. I hung in there. I got out essentially break even, 75, little bit of cash in my pocket. The other one that I traded was BBIG. Yeah, BBIG. And I didn't trade this one well either. So let's see. I averaged into 400 shares of BBIG at an average of $4.30 as it came up right in here, came up to the 450 level, and I started averaging into this pullback right here. I was confident, because so this is the Fibonacci level that I'd put on it. I was confident that the price would bounce right around this between $4.50 and $4. The price would hold and then make a move up, and it did. I only got out of this, so it started to run up here. It got to 450 here, and then started to reject in the next candle. Or inside this candle, it started to reject. Actually, I can go down to the 15-second chart. Let's see here. Yeah. Oop. Let's delete that. And so let's see. I averaged in right here, and then it started to climb back up to 450, and it rejected 450, and I sold it. I sold it right in here. So it was only a little bit better than break even also, and I missed out on some upside to 477. Just not having really sharp days of trading, and I think a lot of it has to do with me really kind of not having a routine in the morning like I used to. Days like this would be much more profitable for me, and there have been a few days that I've pulled down $12 or $150 or something like that, $200 that should have been four-figure days. I don't know. I'm dead tired right now, actually, now that I think about it. I didn't sleep well last night. So having a little bit of a tough time with trading right now, but at least I'm having a tough time on the green side, right? Okay, everybody. Hey, good luck out there, and I'll see you tomorrow.